So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play practice mode in Stumble Guys. So first of all, go to stumbleguys.com/play or just click the play button. You will see your start or home page right after that. From here you can see your profile, your progress, your news or notifications. You can see your currency on there as well as settings, missions, party, then customize friends and workshop. So you will need to see all of these tools or options and click on party as one of those options. So if you want to create a game or a practice game, practice mode, you will need to click on custom game. Through here, you can see max players 32, fill open positions with AI stumblers. You can reduce that to, let's say, 8. And if you wish to choose without bots or with bots, so you can put in round 1 and 2 abilities all enabled. After that, you can click on create. Once you've clicked on that, you can see custom pool. So it's just decided by chance. And you can click on create. Customized games do not grant rewards. So make sure that once you have this practice game and practice customized game, you will not receive any rewards. You will just play it for fun. So you don't get any progress for your profile. After that, you can see your open positions with AI bot will just give you the option to practice playing Stumble Guys. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Stumble Guys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.